So guys, as you can see in front of you, this is the photo. I don't know what it should be called. But you know, I will tell you how to use it. As you can see, these are the 3 pictures that I have taken, but you know, you can see here done. You go for done, and then they are saying thank you. Tap oh shoot to start. So I would tap this, and now it is started, as you can see. And there you go, my picture. So this is how you click a picture. So the flash, as you can see the flash is here, and the light is here, and this is me, but I won't take my. And the background is taken, as you can see the background is taken. So they will give you 3 chances. This is the 3rd one, as you can see, and here you go. This is me, Haider Ali Khan. And so 3rd one is also done. So this is how you operate this machine. This is how you operate this photo. I don't know what it is called. As you can see, these are the 3 pictures that I took, and all of them has no me, because I don't want to click myself in this shadi event, in this mehndi event, to be really honest. So this is how you operate a picture booth. I don't know what it would called. And as you can see, when I'm clicking it, so the shoot will be started very soon. As you can see, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and my picture will be taking, but I won't take it. This is how you operate this machine, to be really honest, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question regarding anything related to